Shut up and sit down.
This review is brought to you by MNML Case, an ultra-thin case that showcases the beauty of your new phone and fits like a glove. Get 15% off your Google Pixel 2 XL case until the end of October with the promo code PIX15. Google just unwrapped its latest flagship, and it's only natural to wonder how it compares to the other big phones of the year. At $849 for the Pixel 2 XL, it's definitely on the pricey side of the smartphone market, and for less than $100 more, you can nab yourself Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy Note 8. Both devices have a lot to offer and appeal largely to different types of customers, but how do they stack up? Which device is the best and most worthy of your money? Let's find out. The Pixel 2 XL follows the trend of other ultra-premium flagships in 2017, sporting a taller aspect ratio display with smaller bezels. Its bezels are nearly as small as those on the Note 8, though. The Pixel 2 XL features a 6-inch Bold QHD display with a 2880 x 1440 pixel resolution. It has front-facing speakers at the top and bottom, and slight bezels on either side of the screen. The Galaxy Note 8 brings a 6.3-inch QHD Super AMOLED display. It's got a slightly lower pixel density, but the curved screen means it has a similarly sized overall footprint. The Galaxy Note 8 only has a single speaker at the bottom, but also has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which Google left out of the Pixel 2 XL. Google includes a 3.5mm headphone jack to USB-C adapter in the box, so people with older headphones won't have to spring for a new pair. The big question here is whether you'd rather have native support for a headphone jack, or dual front-facing stereo speakers. Both devices also support always-on display technology. The Galaxy Note 8 always-on display features shortcuts to apps, icons for your latest notifications, music controls, and the ability to pin a screen lock memo from the S Pen. Meanwhile, the Pixel 2 always-on display is a little more understated, with a fairly standard experience accompanied by the Now Playing feature, which allows you to see what song is playing at any given time at a glance. As with any flagship smartphone in 2017, the Pixel 2 XL comes with a flagship specs list. This includes being powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor with an Adreno 530 GPU, 4GB of RAM, and either 64GB or 128GB of storage. The Galaxy Note 8 has the same processing package but increases the RAM to 6GB and offers 256GB of storage instead of 128GB. Both devices also have IP67 dust and water resistance, but the Galaxy Note 8 also comes with other useful extra like wireless charging and a micro SD card slot for expandable storage.